Right guys, I've got another video. This is my new Peak Design 6 litre bag rather than the 3 litre one I had before. Now I did a video on my 3 litre bag which I've now sold. I got back almost what I paid for it actually. These bags really sell quick and hold their value. The reason why I've decided to upgrade is I got a microphone and I wanted that little bit more space, and I just wanted to describe the differences between this and the 3 litre bag. Unfortunately, I have already sold the 3 litre because it literally sold within hours. But I was amazed, the size difference isn't actually that big. The 3 litre would I put them against each other and it would literally come like that. So it's a couple of inches off one side and the top maybe, maximum. So there's not that much difference in the outside size appearance, but I think this bag is more practical, and if I was buying again I don't think I would have bought the 3 litre. So I'll link my review to the 3 litre above and I'll show you what I managed to get in this one now. Exactly the same as the 3 litre one. Brilliant. You've got the clip, the sort of straps here where you can put the capture clip on. That's brilliant for in use. I'd highly recommend a capture clip because it means you can just keep your camera on the outside of the bag and it's always ready for use. You've got the same strap, exactly the same systems. You've also got the bungees for the bottom here and you can put something underneath. You've got a pocket in the front. This is a bit more practical because it's easier to get your phone in this one than compared to the 3 litre, which was a bit tighter and a bit of a squeeze, so I could say get phone and keys in there, no problem. But look at this. This is why I bought this. So, show you what I've got in here. If I can just open it. There we go. So, it's really impressive what you can actually get in this thing. So I've got my new Sony microphone there. That fits in on the top. I've got my ZVE1 with my 24 mm I think it's f2.8 lens. They're very small lens. Get the size of that, brilliant for when you want a discreet small setup with the ZVE1, and you get a lovely image quality out of that lens as well. So camera, ZVE1 and lens, and that's got my clip on. So when in use, as I said, just clips on the side of the bag when it's slung over your shoulder, and you can very, very quickly release it and the camera is fully available. So that's good. I've then got, that's my f4 16-35 Carl Zeiss lens. I've got a video on that on my channel. These are brilliant lenses. These can be picked up now for about £400 second hand. I got this sort of, it's in prime condition, there's nothing wrong with it. It's a brilliant zoom. I really love that zoom lens for sort of vlogging, out and about photography. Lovely. It's quite a heavy lens because it's all metal. Then look, in this box, in this camera bag now, I can put both dividers in as well. So underneath that lens, I've got my sort of king of the lenses here that I use, and that's my 20mm G lens f1.8 for low light. Nice compact lens, one of the best lenses you can get for the ZVE1. Brilliant for vlogging out and about, low light shots. This is the one you want. So pop that back in there. Another lens I've got in here is, this one's in the bag as well, is my Tamron 28-75 f2.8. Again, you know, I think this is actually the best selling lens in the world, and there's a reason for it. It's a very good price for what it is. Excellent lens, highly recommended that lens. So in fact, let's get all of these out. So I can now get all of my lenses in there, plus this. Plus in here you get a little pocket. I've got my straps in there. I've got SD cards and things that I keep in there. And then also actually in that pocket I've got a spare battery. You get two pockets at the side, but actually the way I've got it fitted out is these two internal pockets here are squashed it right up to the side, so I can't really get anything in those. So look at the size of the bag, it's really small. There's my hand as a comparison. As I say, it's about 2 inches on the top, 2 inches on one side bigger. That's all than the 3 litre. This is 6 litre. And I'm able now to get all of this in it, plus get my microphone. I was struggling to get all this in my 3 litre. It only just fitted in. It fits in better in this, and you can get the microphone in as well. Plus you've got the bit bigger pocket. So for the slight trade-off, the very slightly larger bag, to be honest, unless you want the very small setup, I think in retrospect I'd now recommend a 6 litre over the 3 litre version. So I hope that's been helpful to you, and great bags these. I couldn't recommend them highly enough. This one's brand new, as you can see, and absolutely fantastic. My other one, I used it for probably about, I don't know, 6 months. Fairly light use, but it was just like brand new when I sold it. They hold up extremely well, and they get a lifetime warranty. I think this one was £90, so they're about 20 pounds more than the smaller version. So they're about $100 these, and well worth it because they will last you a lifetime. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.